Welcome to Chef Bimal kitchen. Today I am going to prepare very yummy recipe which is chili chicken. This is basically Indo-Chinese recipe which is very simple to make. I hope you'll enjoy this recipe. So first of all I am going to dice red pepper. Then I am going to dice yellow pepper. Same way I am going to dice green pepper. So you can see how I dice it. And finally I am going to dice white onion. So now you can see our vegetables are ready. Now I have taken one chicken breast and I am going to cut into a small cube. So you can see how I cut it, and I am going to transfer it into a bowl, and I am going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and I am going to mix it well. Now I have taken 500 ml of corn oil and I am going to heat it till 350 Fahrenheit, and I am going to fry it till golden brown in color. So you can see it is almost ready, nice golden brown in color. And now I am going to drain it under a strainer. Now I am going to heat pan and I am going to put 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I am going to add 10 gram of chopped garlic, 5 gram of chopped ginger, and I am going to stir it well. Now I am going to add 2 green chili which has been cut into half, 1 tablespoon of red capsicum, 1 tablespoon of yellow capsicum, 1 tablespoon of green capsicum, 1 tablespoon of white onion, and I am going to stir it well. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, and I am going to mix it well. Now I am going to put water as consistency required. Now I am going to add fried chicken into it, and I am going to stir it well. Now I have taken 1 teaspoon of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of water, and I am going to dissolve it well. Make sure there is no any lumps. So this is going to help to make gravy thicker. Now I am going to add slowly into it, and I am going to stir it well. So now chicken chilli is almost ready, and I am going to garnish it with spring onion, and finally I am going to sprinkle sesame seed. So you can see chilli chicken is ready. It looks so yummy. So if you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you for watching.